Good morning! Kain tayo prutas guys. May guava. Tapos may asin. Ng view, pero ito talaga ang pinakamaganda. I know, right? Dami sila naman sito dito. Oh my God, kalame. Kato tawan, kato yellow. You gonna eat it?
Uy, katong na! Oh, Lord! Lord!
Who's up? 1, 2, 3, jump!
Di, kok gak? Kanding kayo. Mahulog tayo.
1, 2, 3.
Guys, mali yung
This is as good a day as any.
Hello guys, we are fresh. Nag-pool tayo, then afternoon, nag-shower na, and this is our outfit for today. So, hindi ako mag-makeup. I really wanna have a break from makeup kasi meron akong malaki dito. May malaki akong pimple. And a little bit of cheek something. Ayoko i-touch yung aking pimple. Ayoko lagyan siya ng anything on top. Supposed to be, today is gonna be my chill day and hindi ako mag-vlog. But I was just thinking na, because I've been editing. Since morning, I've been editing. I've been working. But since, meron kaming issue dito sa room. Kahapon pala guys, nung dumating kami dito, yung jacuzzi, uma-under siya. But we are trying to turn it off. Pero ayaw niyang mag-off. So, parang meron kasi silang app dito. It's very good actually. Ang ganda ng Wyndham Hotel. Meron silang app dito wherein you can just communicate all the concerns that you have. So, mini-message namin sila doon kung ano yung mga concern namin, including that one na hindi nga siya nag-turn off. And then sabi nila, they can manually do it for us. So, today, chinek nila if they can fix it. Hindi nila na-fix. Ako naman, like, that's fine. Mas okay talaga na kami lang yung mag-on and off, no? Kasi we're night owls. There will be times na gusto namin mag-swimming in the middle of the night. So, sinabi namin if there are other rooms, same type of room, same view, na available. Kasi, if ever meron, mag-move na lang kami. And sabi nila, oo, meron daw. So, they're gonna move us in an hour. Much better view daw yung ibibigay nila sa amin. Because, I think, because of the inconvenience that was caused. Kasi, tagal kasi nilang nag-fix dito eh. In and out sila. Then I was just editing. But, okay lang naman kasi I'm in the zone. Wala akong paalam kung ano mangyari sa inyo dyan. We are gonna be moving. So, I'm gonna pack. Pero okay lang naman. Konting-konti lang yung mga bagay or mga gamit na nilabas natin. So, this is gonna be very quick. Michelle is out and about. Pagdating niya dito, mag-move na kami. Sabi ko lang na antayin lang natin si Michelle. Of course. So, I'm gonna quickly pack again. Diba? Napaka-exciting ng ating life. Daming ganap, ha? Pero mas okay na, guys, because we're gonna be here for like 4 more days. So, at least man lang, ma-enjoy natin ang bongga yung ating stay dito. Mas okay na din. So, they have time to fix it. Wala silang naaabala. Or, oo. Not necessarily us, pero kahit kung sino ba andito ba. Para makafocus sila sa pag-fix kung ano man yung problema. Kasi, even then, parang medyo nahihiya sila to come in and out of the room. Kasi ang dami talaga, ang tagal nila dito kanina. But other than that, the room is really good. I have no problem with the room. It's good. It's really nice. We have everything. And the breakfast earlier, it's good too. Madaming options. Meron pa mga Turkish food. So, yeah, love it. Actually, na-realize ko na okay pala na i-move kami kasi yung katabi namin medyo maingay. Alam niyo naman mga tita, very sensitive na yung mga tenga namin. Kahit nga sa plane kahapon, parang nainis na ako sa isang babae na kahit may announcement, yung boses niya talaga yung... ang lakas talaga ng boses niya. Nasabi ko talaga, siya wala talagang manners sa babae to. But yeah, sensitive na yung mga tita niyo, kakaloka. Before tayo yung maingay. Ngayon tayo na yung naiingayan. Bakit pa sobrang sensitive na natin? Ito ba talaga? Pag ganito ba talaga tumanda? Sensitive na namin. To the point na parang, aawayin natin to o hindi. Oy, huwag kayong ganyan. Char lang yan. May patience pa naman kami. Kunti na lang.
Nakakabigla naman yung TV, nag-on bigla. Nag-advertise na meron ng happy hour. Sige, antayin nyo kami. Happy hour tayo. Ayan, may spa. Okay. Magpamassage ulit tayo.
My favorite rings, you know. Our favorite rings. Ano nga to? This is Pandora. This is the heart one. May problema ako actually. Na-realize ko na meron akong favorite na ring. That's heart ring. That was also from Pandora. Pero sobrang tagal ko na hindi nakita. Nalala ko, asa na ba yun? Ito lang lagi kong ginagamit. But I actually have another one na white gold from Pandora. I'm not really sure if white gold yun. Maybe not. Okay na. We are here in the Carnival Magic.
Yeah. It's leaning on the glass.
Oh my God, so good. Security check.
Arlo, Ayla, and Indy.
Hindi ka.
Ah, Michelle! Hi, Michelle!
Asa ka?
Wala ko. Naka-glasses lang ko. Huwag ko nakita. Ano wala man ko? May pinalit mo. Or na ako sa likod ni mo. I think na ako sa likod ni mo. Pero wala sa likod. Tama kay likod, girl.
Hindi mo na ikaw.
Ang ganda-ganda dito. My inner child is screaming. Hep hep. Charis. Ganda! Are you kidding me? Ang ganda-ganda! Hala, uy! Oh my God! Paano ba nila ginawa to? Ang ganda-ganda! Ayan. Namimiss ko tuloy yung si Ayla at saka si Arlo. Ang ganda! Ano ba yan? Kain tayo. Look. Right. I'm gonna have a burger. Ito burger to siya. My very pink burger. Nagutom.
This is a good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many, and the old ones gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has a clearer light as any to see the horizon and the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a wreck.
Shit! Basa na kami. Basa ang basa sa ulan. Pero wala kami bakit. Look. May pa-games pa kayo dyan, ah. Guys, ang ganda! Super! Kailangan lang naming ilagay sa locker yung aming phone. What? Yan, oh. Kailangan namin ilagay yung phone namin sa locker. So, yung show kanina sobrang ganda. As in. And now, ito, ang mga lights, sobrang ganda din. Okay.
ba? That one is so good. Grabe, kung bata pa ako, parang, ay, core memory. As in, ang ganda niya, uy. Ang ganda-ganyan niya talaga.
Ako mo lang doon ang tiguan, nakatubangan ako, gana ako dito. Wow!
Saan?
Katong kinakailan ng mga show ba? Tinala dito ng bubbles, ng explosion, di ko nanunumbuang.
Ginaam ko sa skilid, gitagan kong balloon. So guys, alam nyo ba yung favorite ko? Hindi yung River Carnival Parade. River Carnival Parade. Hindi din yung Kingdom of Lights. Yung favorite ko is yung prior to the show. Ang ganda niya, yung nasa labas lang. Anong tawag dun, Michelle?
I don't know. I thought it was there.
No, it's not there. Yeah. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dun. Pakita ko na lang yung clip. Pero nakita nyo naman siguro. Basta yung, as in, talon-talon ako. Para ako maiyak talaga. Shit! Basa na. Basa sa ulan. Pero wala kaming bakit. Parang ibang-iba yung vibe. As in, everyone is like jumping kahit matatanda doon. Everyone's enjoying, having fun. Tapos yung bubbles pa, parang, grabe, ang ganda-ganda. But anyway, yeah. Yun yung favorite ko actually. Yung River Carnival Parade. Medyo mahaba siya. Ang ganda din. Pero, I don't know, parang, you know, matanda na tayo, yung attention span natin, maliit na lang yung attention span natin. Parang, sige, next. Tapos yung sa naman, sa Kingdom of Lights, medyo mahaba siya na walk. So, mayroon palang ino-offer doon na tram, which is, you know, mas easier siya. Kasi mahaba pala talaga yung walk just to see all the lights. Pero ang ganda, sobrang ganda. I feel like must see talaga siya if you're gonna go to Thailand. Especially kung pupunta kayo ng Phuket, mag-book na kayo doon kasi ganda, ganda. And it's not expensive yung ticket.